Economics and Science for Environmental Sustainability is a bachelor's degree program that focuses on the fundamental relationship between economic and environmental systems. The aim of the course is to provide both theoretical and empirical tools to promote the sustainable dimension of production processes and to define strategies for the efficient management of environmental and energy resources. With this new bachelor's program, the University of Milano-Bicocca aims to respond to the growing demand in the labor market for professionals capable of addressing issues related to circular economy, life cycle assessment, sustainable development, environmental low impact marketing, all from a scientifically grounded perspective. Three key aspects characterize the program. First, transdisciplinarity. While classified under the economics degree category, the program includes approximately 30 ECTS credits in biology, geology, and chemistry. This allows students to develop a solid understanding of the environmental implication of production processes. Second, innovative learning. The teaching approach is based on case studies and the co-teaching of instructors from both economics and environmental sciences. It also encourages classroom debates and exchange of ideas with professionals from leading institutions. These elements foster a holistic perspective, allowing students to critically engage with real-world challenges concerning the creation of economic value through environmentally sustainable approaches. Third, excellence in teaching and research. This bachelor's program is the result of a fruitful collaboration between the Department of Economics, Management and Statistics and the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences, both recognized for their research excellence by the Ministry of University and Scientific Research. Economics and Science for Environmental Sustainability is the right choice for modern and curious thinkers with a genuine interest in a transdisciplinary approach to the environmental dimensions of economics. We truly hope to have you on board for this exciting journey.